Alright, on to another problem. This is 2016 AIME 1, problem 4. A right prism with height h has bases that are regular hexagons with sides of length 12. A vertex A of the prism and its three adjacent vertices are the vertices of a triangular pyramid. The dihedral angle, which is the angle between the two planes formed by the face of the pyramid that lies in the base of the prism, and the face of the pyramid that does not contain A, measures 60 degrees. Find h squared. So it's actually not too hard of a problem as long as you can visualize what's happening and make your way through all this. So I'll start off. I'm going to draw a right regular hexagonal prism. So here will be my base. And I'll try to do a good job of making sure that everything is nicely, you can see what's going on here. So alright, that sort of looks right. Okay, now we need to pick a vertex A. You might be saying, well, hold on, does it matter which one we pick? And it really doesn't. I'll show it here. So if I made this here A, the pyramid they're talking about is the one that goes to the three adjacent vertices. And I just connect this up, and I'll get myself a nice pyramid, triangular pyramid. Now, next thing, the dihedral angle we are looking at is the angle between this side and this side down here. Now, because of what we know about regular hexagons, this base has an angle of 120 degrees. Actually, let me make that bigger. So this is 120 degrees. And to find the angle, the dihedral angle, I need to have sort of two segments and do some right triangle trig. So I need this to this, which goes actually, because of the symmetry in here, it goes to the midpoint. So I'm going to drop this first. We know this is 12. And because this is 120 degrees, and this is an isosceles triangle, when I drop this altitude, it actually splits it in half, and I get a 30, 60, 90 right triangle. Which means that this length here is half of 12, 6. Now we're looking at this red triangle, and I want to find h squared really, but let's look at that red triangle for a second. We'll find h first. So in this red triangle, that's a right angle because it's a right prism. This we just calculated as 6. I know this is 60 degrees, and because of 30, 60, 90 rules here, 6 root 3, 12, this is going to be 6 root 3. So now, I can take the 6 root 3 and say, okay, h is 6 root 3. I want to find h squared, which is going to be 6 root 3 squared. I square 6, get 36. Square root 3, get 3. 36 times 3 is going to be 108, which is the answer to this problem. Comment with any questions, and I'll go on to problem 5.